What is up, everyone? It is August 20th, 2024, and let's do a trade recap. It's currently 7:32. I took it just a few minutes ago. Let's make it a little cleaner for you guys. So, initially on the day, we saw this downtrend from the London and overnight session. Then we saw a clear upward. This could have been based on news or just breakout and exhaustion, but we ran up here. We formed a couple flags on the way. These were more low probability flags, even though they worked. They were low probability flags because they only had 2 touch points, right? So I didn't get in just yet. Then we saw another one, 2 touch points. So I clearly identified this trend. We're going down. It's okay. And I would say the determinant, meaning the area, the point of control on this trend down would be right here. So I identified 3 touches right here. And I saw, I don't want to see us go back above this for the consolidation of this bear flag. And we saw 3 touch points. Usually I wait for the breakout of the next candle, even though it's not breaking through the flag. I wait for that because they tend to draw towards the flag liquidity first before they break down. And you'll see this. Look, we draw toward the flag liquidity and we're probably going to break down lower. I was a little hesitant. I got to be honest, guys. I was hesitant on this trade just because of how many opposing candles we put towards the upside. And I hesitated. I got to be honest. I hesitated on this move. And I should have gotten in right when we crossed here and set my stop here at 850s. But I most likely got in probably half that. Right around here. But if we take a look, it's 1650, right? We said a 1-to-1, right? That's our 1-to-1. We were looking for 16 points. I trade options, but I probably got in about halfway because I only made half the profit I should have. Let's call it, I don't, trading view sometimes is so difficult because it locks these things. There we go. I got in right here. So it was a 0.5 RR, but I had to follow this initial setup I took, which was a 1 RR. But that's it. I'll show you my executions on my options contracts. This is the same strategy I use every single day. Is the bull flag and market structure. I think the bull flag and market structure are one of the most important ways to read markets effectively. This is sad. This is very sad. Now looking back at the prices I got, let's take a look. So as you can see, I got in 10 contracts at 0.9 and I got out at 99. Look at this. We're still running though. But that's the thing with trading is you can only make money because you're not going to catch every move to the full extent, right? Because half the time this thing's just going to bounce up to liquidity and then come back down. So looking at it from a probability standpoint, by following my rules, I will win in the long run. All I have to do is just add more size as I go on. But as you see, took that close to $100 move right there, 10 contracts, and that was it. I mean, that's a pretty uh, pretty textbook move right there. And like as I said, we continue to break down, draw liquidity, consolidate a little bit back, and flush down. There we go, guys. I'm 2 green days in a row now, and that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next one.